Hello everyone. I'm going to show you an incredible transformation, taking this old, broken shovel into an amazingly versatile gardening tool. Oh no, the handle of the shovel is broken. I can't use it for gardening. My current objective is to address the severe damage to this existing shovel, specifically focusing on the compromised handle and its attachment point. The shovel head is currently secured within a heavy-duty vise. I'm carefully removing the remnants of the old, shattered wooden handle from the shovel head. This is crucial to get a clean slate and prepare the shovel for its much-needed upgrade. The old wood is brittle and completely compromised, so it has to go. The blade itself exhibits significant corrosion and requires extensive restoration to ensure its structural integrity and functional efficacy. I'm taking my angle grinder, fitted with a coarse sanding disc, and I'm going to meticulously clean off all the rust and old debris from the shovel head. This process is critical for removing all accumulated rust, oxidation, and surface contaminants. Achieving a clean, smooth metallic surface is paramount for ensuring optimal adhesion of any protective coatings or further structural modifications. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. This is a new, intact wooden handle intended for integration. Its current dimensions do not permit a proper fit into the shovel head's existing socket, necessitating precise modifications. I am now marking the periphery of the shovel head socket with a marker to delineate the precise area requiring removal. This will ensure that the new handle can be securely seated and correctly aligned. Following this, I will utilize the angle grinder to carefully excise the designated section, thereby expanding the opening of the shovel head socket. This precise modification is critical for accommodating the new, larger diameter handle. Moving on to our custom connector, I'm taking a long bolt. I'm marking a section of the shovel head's handle socket. The idea is to open up the socket slightly, creating a slot. This will be essential later for our interchangeable tool design, allowing different attachments to fit securely and easily. I use an angle grinder and cut along the lines marked on the shovel handle. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I lightly ground head of the bolt and marked a spot on it. This bolt will serve as the core of the quick release mechanism, so precision here is key to stability and function. Similarly, I mark a point on the shovel handle. This will be the point to fix the shovel and bolt. With the component prepared, I'm now drilling a small pilot hole through the marked section of the shovel socket. This hole will accommodate the securing pin. Then, I'll drill a corresponding hole through the bolt itself. These holes are essential for final assembly, ensuring the bolt sits perfectly aligned and can be securely fastened. Wearing safety gloves, a small metallic component, featuring a preformed loop, is being positioned. I'm now initiating the welding process to permanently secure this piece, which will serve as a crucial attachment point for modular tool heads. I use a hammer to clean the weld and then tap the piece of metal to be welded onto the shovel handle. The welding procedure is meticulously continued to ensure a comprehensive and structurally sound bond between the metallic loop component and the shovel handle. This reinforces the attachment point, guaranteeing durability under operational stress. Using an angle grinder, I cut off the excess metal. A duplicate metallic segment is now being welded onto the corresponding opposite side of the shovel head socket. This symmetrical reinforcement ensures balanced structural integrity for the entire assembly. The final weld joint is meticulously cleaned using a hammer, ensuring the removal of slag and verifying the quality of the fusion. The modified bolt is carefully threaded through the reinforced socket of the shovel head. This assembly is critical for securely interchanging tool heads. I will cut the protruding head of the bolt exactly to the appropriate length with an angle grinder. Now, let's prepare the connector for our handle. I'm taking a sturdy pipe section and carefully assembling some washers and a nut onto one end, which I'll then weld into place. This assembly will form the receiving end of our quick-release system. After welding, I'll grind and clean everything thoroughly to ensure a smooth fit and a professional look. This creates a solid internal anchorage, providing an extremely durable and stable foundation for the handle's integration, preventing movement or loosening. Once the connector is ready, I'm testing it on a new wooden handle. This wooden handle is a little too big for the iron connector, so I'm going to sand it down a bit. The prepared wooden handle is carefully inserted into the metal tube. A hammer is then used to apply control force, driving the handle firmly into the tube until secure interference fit is achieved. This forms a robust handle extension. To secure the new handle, I will use screws to secure it. The assembled handle, now integrated with a metal sleeve, is meticulously attached to the modified shovel head. The primary fastening bolt and its corresponding nuts are carefully tightened, securing the handle to the shovel head. The custom bolt and pin system allows for a secure, tight connection. Let's put it to the test. Look at how easily this refurbished shovel bites into the earth. It's a night and day difference from how it was before. This is no longer a struggling, broken tool. It's a powerful and efficient digging machine, making light work of the tough ground. But wait, there's more. Thanks to our clever design, I can easily detach the shovel head and attach a custom hoe blade, transforming it into a versatile hoe. See how effortlessly it cuts through weeds and loosened soil? This truly is a multifunctional gardening powerhouse from a broken old shovel. Following this, I will illustrate the rapid and straightforward process of detaching this tool head, emphasizing the modularity of the design. With the hoe head detached, I am now introducing an alternative tool head, a machete-style blade. This demonstrates the system's adaptability, allowing for quick changes based on the task at hand. The blade is meticulously positioned within the clamping mechanism. The machete-style blade is now being securely fastened into the adjustable clamping mechanism. The precision engineering of the bolt and additional metallic supports ensures a stable and safe attachment for cutting tasks. For the final demonstration, I am rigorously testing the machete attachment against dense foliage. Observe its cutting efficiency and the robust ability provided by our newly engineered handle system. Thank you for your support. Bye. See you in the next video.